For liability. Paperwork. The more I get.
Issued a flash for warning for southeastern Guilford and northeastern Randolph Counties at 10:45 p.m. EAS documents are indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding streams, urban areas, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Randleman, Liberty, Franklinville, Staley, Climax, and Randleman Regional Reservoir Marina. Flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until